You already clicked on this picture, right? So that means you were interested. You want to see what this is about. Ooh. I'm coming. Savannah Silver, I'm coming for you, baby. Savannah Silver. Guys, if you don't know Savannah Silver, go check out Savannah Silver. That's me. That's me. And like the next 2 months. Yeah, I said it. She lives in Japan. And guess who's gonna do a collab with Savannah Silver one day? In Japan. Yes, I'm going to Japan. I'm gonna go get that girl and we're gonna do some makeup together. You hear me? I'm coming to Japan. I'm coming to Japan. I am coming to Japan for a collab. So don't play. Like, hold on. My number is gonna grow. You know, I'm gonna make more friends on YouTube. And when I do, I'm gonna come and we're gonna do some makeup together. I watch Savannah Silver like every day. And one other person I love, oh, Yuki. Okay, now let's stop playing. I'm gonna go there today, Yuki. I'm gonna go there today. You know, on Instagram, when you're not friends with somebody and you DM them, you might not necessarily see the DM. When I started YouTube about a year ago, I DM'd Yuki because who doesn't love Yuki? I still love Yuki. And I DM'd her and I said, hey sis, I'm trying to start a YouTube channel. I don't know where to start. Any pointers, anything you can do to help me? And nothing till today. But I'm not holding it against Yuki because I know probably she didn't see the DM. She probably gets so many DMs from so many people. Mine got lost in there somewhere. But she's such a lovely girl. I can't fault her and say, oh, I asked her for help and she didn't even bother to, you know, I can't. I am so giving her the benefit of the doubt because I don't know, right? So I can't just judge. I can't just jump to conclusion and say, she ignored me. Oh, I can't stand her. Da, da, da. No, I'm not doing that. I am going to wait until I get to the point where people pay attention to me because I am good at my craft. And Yuki is going to see this video and realize I tried to get a hold of her and she didn't get my DM. And that's okay because you know what? I still love her to the moon. She's great. I mean, have you seen Yuki? Her personality is like amazing. And she's a fellow nurse. Why am I going to hate a fellow nurse? I love her. But to crown this whole story, do you know who? Bear with me. Don't click off, okay? Just listen to what I'm about to say. The only person that actually helped me out with my YouTube channel was Taste Pink. Taste Pink is like the guru for crochet hair. And I reached out to Taste Pink. She has an email, business email and personal email. That is really sweet for somebody to even bother. They give a business and a personal email, you know. So I emailed her in a personal email and I said, hey, I'm starting a YouTube channel. I could use some help. I really love the way that you do hair, blah, blah, blah. I didn't hear from her. And I said, man, this YouTube community is cutthroat. Like nobody's paying me any mind. Nobody's wanting to help me, right? So one time I'm there and then I see Taste Pink is going on live. And I'm over there tripping. Yeah. I tried to reach out to you and email. You didn't even pay me no mind. I said, no, you can't do that. You just don't know. Benefit of the doubt. Benefit of the doubt. So I went ahead. I clicked on the live. People were asking questions, talking to her. She was replying. She was amazing. Beautiful personality and a beautiful human being. So I also put in the comment. I said, hey, I tried to reach out to you. I started a YouTube channel and I just needed some help. But I never heard from you. And she, you know, right there replied and say, hey, Marissa, what email address did you use? Because my emails have been giving me some trouble. Go ahead and DM me on Instagram. So I went ahead and I DM'd Taste Pink on Instagram. And guess what? She was amazing. Like, I am so in awe that people who are busy with your life, and sometimes when people get up there, you know, up there, They can't be bothered with the little people down here. But Taste Pink, she watched my first YouTube video. Was it my first? Maybe not my first, but she watched the YouTube video that I sent her. It was my crochet, Jamaican bounce crochet. I had like I had a burgundy two-tone hair, short crochet. I sent her the video. She watched it. She critiqued me. And what I was doing good, she said, you know, keep doing it. What I wasn't doing good, she told me how to go about it. Until today, Taste Pink and I, like, we will DM each other here and there. I wouldn't say she's my friend. I'll say she's nice to me. She respects me. I respect her. Can we become friends one day? I hope so. Because, you know, it's sometimes it's hard to trust people. And I can see that she's a very careful person. So, hey, that's my next collab. I'm praying that when I get up there, Taste Pink will actually give me a chance to collab with her. I know, you know, she's up there doing her thing. She's helped me numerous times. So I can't ask too much of her. I can't. But yeah. Anyway, I just thought I'll share this story that, you know what? Just give people the benefit of the doubt, because when I gave Taste Pink the benefit of the doubt, she helped me. Can you believe it? She helped me. She doesn't know me from anywhere. She watched my video and critiqued me. She helped me. Some people feel like YouTube is, oh, if I show you how to go about it, then I can't get. No, there's just too many people in the world for you alone. You know, we can't, like, there's room for everybody. So Taste Pink helped me. That is why it's hard for me to just think that Yuki didn't want to help. I am not going to go there. I'm holding on. I'm keeping the gates open, because one day we will go back to this story and I will find out the real truth, and I'll find out why Yuki didn't get back to me. But in the meantime, I love them all.